After 290 videos, plus videos, the front engine axle is in. So I want to show you what it looks like. And I know some of these videos might be boring, but you know, in years to come I can look back and I can say, oh yeah, I know I messed up on this or I messed up on that or whatever. What I plan to do is put the back shock on, and I've got a special shock mount for this SR or stage 6. This is a stage 6 extension. Okay, shock extension. They have these in, they're like 20 bucks a piece. They have them in silver, gray, different things. What it does is it raises your shock about an inch, or they have one that does it 2 inches. And what's good for that is, like, you know when you have a pipe, it comes down like this and it curls up? Well, that curl up part always hits on the bottom of your rear taillight when you hit a bump. So what this extension does is raises the motor, raises the shock, and actually gives you better control at higher speed. So I imagine these little deals can be bought in a few places, but it's really good if you have a pipe with, it's not a straight pipe, for a stroker. Now I'll put the shock on. I'm going to put the rear wheel, which is it's all shot. I'm going to put it on just to hold the motor in until I can get both my new front and rear wheels on. But after 290 videos, we're getting there, little by little. Alright, thanks for watching the series and staying with me and all my subscribers. And there is one hell of a strong motor.